Hey guys, this is Huzaifa from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. Few days back, I heard that YouTube you can make a lot of money. Why I'm doing these videos? Is it for money? No. Is it for searching subscribers, views? Well, if you see my channel, it hardly got about 4,000 views, and people are just telling me that you are not going to make through. You are not you will not be able to influence the people. I don't care, I don't give a shit. If you see Mr. Beast channel, he was not about to make an impact just with his 200 videos, but he tried to continue, but he tried to make a video each and every day, right? Make himself better. Practice makes a man perfect, right? Though I'm not that much popular or that much great into my stuff or gears, but what, I still try to make an impact, right? I have still take a one step, right? I am still in the one person who has just taken action, who has just taken the step forward to make this YouTube channel and just to inspire people, right? To a lot of people. What I am not achieving success, there will be one day, right? I am hope is there, right? I certainly follow certain YouTube channels, right? Through which I can gain some YouTube growth, such as Robert Blake, then Brian J. Johnson, then you can say Sunny Leonardi, video influencers. These are some of the channels which I follow for my YouTube growth. But I am not into making money, right? First, I want to provide value to the people, to inspire them, to motivate them to achieve dreams. This is the motto of my channel, right? If you run after money, you will not able to get, right? You will not able to make the impact, right? But I am not here for money. I am here to help people, to give value, right? To get them their dream life, to achieve their dreams, not to ever give up in their life, right? Chase dreams. Why I made this channel, right? This is the main purpose, not money. Money will definitely be outcome, right? But I have just recently saw a video that which explains that you can get a huge amount of money, right? Don't chase money, right? You will not get a long term benefit, right? You need to build a legacy. You need to make yourself remember so that your future generations, right, let see, become aware that my father or my grandfather had tried to make an impact, right, on someone's life, to inspire people. That's my vision, right? So money is just, I don't bother anything. I don't have that expensive gadgets. I don't have any studio or something. Like, I'm just shooting on my phone, right, with a small mic, right, ordinary boya mic, and just connecting. And right now I'm not having my tripod also, but I'm still continuing making videos. I never give up in my life, right? That's the thing. In 2014 there were some issues in my life and I was about to give up, right? I was about to have suicide, right? But still don't know why still I am living, right? I am trying to find my purpose, to achieve my dreams, right, to inspire people. That's what I discovered, that the positivity that came into my life. I attended seminars. I'm having a lot of books. What it is for? It is to make an impact to the outer world, to inspire people not to give up on their dreams. Just like I don't give up, right? I make it count, right? From 2014 till 2020, my journey was not going so smooth, but still I continued, and right now I'm surviving in 2020, right? So I made this YouTube channel not just for joke. It is not a joke, right? A lot of people just told me that you are not able to make it, you are just getting very less views, right? You have uploaded so many videos but still you are not able to make this thing, right? But I told myself, what are they to tell me, to put me down, right? I am capable of myself. I believe in myself that I will make an impact and I will make this possible, right? I will not give up. I will try making videos and make myself more capable, more enthusiastic, more energetic, right, to give 100% into these videos, to create amazing content, to create awesome content, right? And just believe in myself, and that's what kept me going. And today I'm making more videos. This is my channel about, right? Not to give up, not to ever give up, right? but continue, fight for your right, believe in yourself, you will make this too, right? So I hope it had installed some motivation in you. If you are also a content creator and if you're just struggling, like, continue making this. Practice makes a man perfect. Don't give up in your life. There will be circumstances where you will be put down. There are a lot of up and downs in your life, right? There are a lot of circumstances, a lot of people, a lot of things are happening, but you don't need to give up, but you need to make it large, make it great, and make it happen. That's what the life is about. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace. If you are new, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. And remember, you are the creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multidimensional being having human experience. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to receive the regular dose of positivity. Thank you.